How to install Spotify XManager on any device. Okay. How to install Spotify XManager on any device. So we all know that XManager on Spotify is actually not available on Google Play Store or on any other app store. So basically we will just be downloading it via APK. Now run or access any preferred web browser that you have on your device, and what you want to do from here is just simply type in Spotify XManager APK. Now if you do have any reliable link like maybe GitHub or Reddit, then you can actually do that as well. But in this method, just simply choose xmanager.app, which is going to be the very first link. And here, what you want to do next is just scroll down and hit on this download option, which is going to be the version 5.8. Now to successfully install it, just simply allow unknown or anonymous resources files that you have from your phone. Just simply enable and allow all those on-screen prompts for you to successfully install this. So that's definitely it. That's how you install Spotify XManager on any device.